What's up, guys? Back at it again with Mechanics Love Classics. I'm Monster. My boy Money is behind the camera, is cameraman today. Today this video is changing the brakes and bleeding the system on a 1998 Jeep Grand Cherokee. And yeah. Alright, so you're gonna want to loosen this top bolt right here, and that is a 14 millimeter. There's this one right here. Bam. And then down here, you have another one that's the exact same thing. They're both 14s. And then you pop the caliper. Take out your brake pads. Having technical difficulties because the damn thing won't come out. How you pop out the old one. You may need one of the old ones to put back in here so you can get it pressed in. I use clamps. They have actual piston caliper piston pressers. I'm old school. And then once you get it all pressed in, change out your brake pads and work backwards the same way you took them out. Now some brake pads and stuff like that are different. As you can tell, mine have grooves right here. So that's what you're gonna have to do. You're gonna set that in the groove. Make sure everything's lined up. Oh, don't forget to move them back pins back there, because if you don't, yeah, them things are a pain in the ass. And there's your brake. You put your bolts back in the same way. Put your bolts back in the same way, tighten everything up. And there you go. Alright, so then what you're going to do is once you get your brakes all together, all done, you're going to come inside the car and pump your brake pedal. This will relieve all the slack that's in between the brake pad and the rotor. So that way, when you actually do hit your brakes, it's grabbing something and you're not just compressing all of it. And then fill your reservoir if needed. And alright, so now we're bleeding the brake system. I got Money in the car right now, pumping the brake. You can do it by yourself if you have a bleeding system. If you don't, you know, it's best to have help. So while he's got his foot hold on the brake, you ready? So it's on. You're gonna open this valve and you'll see it shoot out. And you're going to want to do that about 2 or 3 times on each side to bleed the brake system. And that's all you have to do to bleed the brakes. Alright, so once you get it bled about 2 or 3 times, just know whoever you have in the car, it's going to be a workout for them because they're going to be pumping a lot. But once you do that, before you move on to the next side, you're going to want to make sure you have fluid in the reservoir. Because if you don't and you catch air in these lines again, then everything you just did will be for nothing. But and then you just move on from side to side until you're back at where you started. And that's how you bleed the brake system. Thank you guys for watching Mechanics Love Classics. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see y'all next time.